good morning, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new vlog. I just woke up and that's why my voice is a little this. I'm just having my amla ginger haldi and black pepper and salt water. It's great for like immunity and stuff. So yeah, this is our last batch. So I had my morning coffee and then I finished some admin work. मुझे मम्मी से बात करनी थी and I had like some calls, messages, emails to reply to all the boring things basically. I finished all of that and उसके बाद में मैंने shower लिया because I had to get ready for a shoot actually. आज मुझे 3 reels shoot करने हैं because this whole week seems a little bit packed with respect to shoots. तो मुझे कुछ काम आज ही फिनिश करना है एंड अब मैं लंच खाने जाने वाली हूँ. सो लेट्स सी खाने में क्या बना है. एंड बाय द वे आई एम रीडिंग दिस बुक अगेन बिकॉज इट जस्ट ignites every bit of creativity in me. It always helps me whenever I am feeling like kind of stuck and not inspired as such. So I'm reading it once again. So if you are feeling something of that sort, then please go buy this book, read it, and thank me later. It's not your usual self-help sort of a book. It's very different and yeah, I basically love it. So for lunch we have methi ke theple, which I absolutely love, and we have aloo ki sabzi, 1 bowl of sabzi, 1 bowl of salad, and 2 theplas. This is gonna be my lunch. I would have taken some dahi as well, but I don't feel like it, so I'm skipping it for now. But yeah, looks delicious. I'm all set for the shoot, and yes, this is basically my uniform whenever I'm shooting like sit down videos or something. I always have my shorts on because ये बहुत comfy होते हैं and I just change my top and whatever. So this is kind of like a jugaad. I have my tripod over here and some products that I need to shoot over here on the bed. So I'll be doing that and I'll see you guys after the shoot. Originally जो मैंने shoot करने का plan किया था वो तो cancel ही हो गया है. But let's see, like I've improvised and I'm not going to like waste my day or something. So I'll see you guys after the shoot. I am done with the shoot. Yes, आज बहुत जल्दी finish हो गया because of last minute plan changes. लेकिन कल बहुत ज़्यादा hectic होने वाला है because I have a long list of videos for tomorrow. So I'm already like thinking about it and kind of dreading the mess that I'm going to make because that's not pretty, the mess. On another note, I'm loving the light that my room gets during this time of the day because sunset हो रहा है मेरे सामने and just getting this golden hour light, I don't know, it gives me some sort of happiness. बहुत ही weird है, but वो जो light आती है मेरे मिरर से bounce off होके पूरे घर में golden light दिखती है. It just makes me happy, just little joys of life, I can say that. So that is that, and I have a huge mess in front of me that I have to clear up. So I'll see you guys soon. Hi guys, good morning. So it's the next day and आज सुबह से like I was really busy and occupied, so मुझे vlog करने का बिल्कुल भी मौका नहीं मिला. I actually forgot about it, so I'm really sorry about that. And usually मेरा morning routine same ही रहता है almost every day, like it doesn't change every single day. So I had my breakfast and then I was doing some work, basically some research work. So I'm doing this series on my Instagram. Like if you don't follow me there, what are you doing? Follow me. Here's my handle. Basically I'm just suggesting a lot of homegrown Indian brands that one should like consider while shopping because it's high time that we start supporting Indian homegrown brands because there's so many good ones out there. So that was that, and then I was writing a script for a YouTube video and stuff like that. So it's been very chaotic morning. I had to place like a couple of orders and बहुत सारा अजीब सा काम था basically. And now finally I am free and I thought कि चलो I'll start getting ready for my shoot. Right now I'm just prepping my skin for the makeup and shoot. So I'm using the eye patches to kind of depuff my under eye because I usually have like puffed up under eye and I don't like that. So guys, me and Didi, we ordered like a bunch of things from Nykaa because sale tha Nykaa pe Valentine's week wala, and I thought of showing the products to you all because I'm really excited. One second. Okay, please ignore the mess. So first up we have this micellar water from Garnier. It's the water in oil and I've heard great reviews about it, so wanna try it out. Then we have a Dove ka hair mask. Again, great reviews I've heard, so really curious how good this is. And my hair has been feeling very frizzy and all, that's why. Now this is a water tint. It's by Etude House and I've heard that this is a Benetint ka dupe, so I wanted to try it out for myself. Let's see how that goes. This is kind of like a refill, Fit Me Maybelline. It's a concealer and it's like a classic. Then we have this lip shade from Kiro Beauty. Now this is in the shade Rose Petal, and if you've been watching my videos, you know that I'm obsessed with this particular shade because it's the perfect nude pink for everyday wear. It's very, you know, hydrating as well. Then we have these 3 lip balms from Inde Wild. It's their dewy lip treatment, which is kind of viral, so I got all of these 3 variants. It's the glazed jalebi, which is kind of glittery. This is the original one and it's amazing. The formulation, I tried it on, it's great. And this one is like rosy pink, which is great for like everyday use. So yeah, this is like my mini Nykaa haul. I'm excited to use all of these products. And on that note, I'm going to end this vlog here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video because I tried vlogging the 2 busy day of my life. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do like, share, subscribe, comment, all the good things, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.